What if your next health tracker didn't sit on your wrist but on your finger? Meet the Nova Smart Ring. Designed by a company that's all about blending style with science, Nova is stepping into the wearable game with something sleek and seriously smart. In today's video, we are unboxing the ring, testing its features, syncing it with the app, and giving you the honest pros and cons. Is this the future of fitness tech? Let's find out. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting, the Nova Smart Crystal Ring. It's a sleek, futuristic health tracker that lives right on your finger. But before you even buy the actual ring, Nova does something super smart. They send you a free sizing kit. Inside the kit you'll find a set of lightweight test rings in multiple sizes so you can try them on and find the perfect fit. No guessing, no surprises, just comfort and accuracy from the start. It's a small but thoughtful step that shows Nova really cares about the user experience. Once you know your size, you're all set to order the real deal. If you haven't heard of Nova, it's definitely time to get familiar. Nova is a forward-thinking tech company focused on blending cutting-edge health tracking with sleek, minimalist design, and honestly, they're absolutely crushing it. Now let's talk about packaging, because the experience starts the moment it arrives. The box has a clean premium look with a matte black finish. It's minimal, classy, and feels high-end right out of the gate. Inside, the layout is well organized, almost like you are boxing luxury tech, not just another gadget. Inside the box, you'll find the Nova Crystal Ring itself. It's stunning, modern, tech-forward, yet elegant and discreet. Coated with sapphire crystal, it's not only sleek and stylish, but also resistant to scratches and everyday impact. And it's surprisingly lightweight, you almost forget you're wearing it. In the box, you'll also find a USB-C cable, a quick start guide, a user manual, and a charging dock that doubles as a display stand. The charging dock uses a magnetic connector to snap the ring into place. It's smooth, secure, and really satisfying. A full charge takes about an hour, so you're back up and running in no time. To get started, just scan the QR code you'll find in the Quick Start Guide, and will take you straight to the app download page. Once you install the app, you'll enter a verification code and fill in your personal details like date of birth, height and weight. This helps the Nova Crystal Ring tailor its health tracking features specifically to you, making the data more accurate and useful. This smart ring offers continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, activity and recovery tracking, blood oxygen tracking, women's health insights, and even stress level assessments, all in a compact form. At first glance, the Nova app interface is clean, minimal, and incredibly user-friendly. Everything feels well organized, from your health metrics to activity insights. It's all laid out in a way that's easy to navigate. The design is modern and aesthetically pleasing, making it enjoyable to use daily without feeling cluttered or overwhelming. Pairing the ring with the app is super quick. It takes just a few seconds and you're ready to go. After I used the Nova Smart Ring for a few weeks, I can confidently say it packs a lot of intelligence into a sleek little accessory. Let's start with recovery data. Honestly, I found it super useful. Every morning I got a clear breakdown of how well my body recovered overnight, which actually helped me plan my workouts better and avoid overtraining. The sleep tracking is another standout. It doesn't just show when you fell asleep or woke up, it goes deep. Stages of sleep, interruptions, total sleep time, and it's all presented in such a clean, understandable way. What I really appreciated were the insights for calmer, more peaceful nights. It gives you breathing tips, wind down reminders, and little prompts that actually help build better habits around sleep. Now, for fitness lovers, the variety of workouts is genuinely impressive. From weight training to aerobic and walking sessions, it detected my activity accurately and the metrics felt on point. Then there is heart rate, HRV, blood oxygen and even stress monitoring, all tracked seamlessly. I checked this regularly and found the trends super insightful, especially the HRV and stress data when I was under pressure or not sleeping well. And yes, for those who need it, the cycle tracking feature is there too, discreet, easy to use and quite accurate over time. Now let's talk about pros and cons. So the ring, it looks like a stylish accessory, not a fitness tracker, elegant, discreet and easy to wear all day. Tracks heart rate, HRV, sleep, stress, blood oxygen, recovery and even menstrual cycle all in one tiny device. Pairing is seamless and data updates within seconds. The app is clean, intuitive and packed with useful insights. It's lightweighted and coated with sapphire crystal, it's surprisingly tough and comfortable enough to wear day and night. Charges quickly in about an hour and lasts for several days on a single charge with LED status indicators on the dock. On the other hand, unlike some other models, Nova Crystal doesn't support tap to pay or NFC payment features. Since there is no screen, you'll need to open the app to view your stats or updates. It detects general activity but doesn't provide detailed metrics like pace, distance or reps. The Nova app is in a certain way limited in functionality as it's lacking options for data export. And data doesn't sync automatically in the background, you'll need to manually open the app to update it consistently. The Nova Crystal Smart Ring combines exceptional comfort with sleek, modern style, making it perfect for everyday wear. Packed with smart features, it seamlessly integrates technology with elegance, allowing you to stay connected without sacrificing fashion. It's truly a smart accessory designed to fit your lifestyle effortlessly. A big thanks to the company for sponsoring this video and giving me the chance to test this great product, and thank you all for watching this review. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to try the amazing feeling of wearing a Nova ring yourself. Be sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more reviews. Until next time, bye!